Hey guys, Skillazoo here again. Just a little small update on the whole off the grid thing. We've been out scavenging. We found this cooler fan, radiator fan, off of a. It was in a scrap pile, but I think it's off a Dodge. I'm pretty sure it's off a Dodge van. But it's a DC motor, and my stupid inverter box isn't big enough really to push any kind of 120 volt anything. I mean, it's 1,000 watt continuous, 2,000 watt surge. I mean, it's like a lightning switch. I mean, you can only handle up to 2,000 watts. But I still can't run stuff, you know, like an air conditioner, like you've seen on a couple other videos and junk. But anyway, next year we'll upgrade that. Hey, there's Dylan. What's up, dude? Right now, we're going to install the pedestal that this fan's going to set on.
And it's a pain in the butt for me to get down here.
I guarantee it. Well, you're the smaller one, so, you know, you fit better.
I'm not the smaller one.
Okay, what we're going to need to do is set this off to the side just a little bit, just like that, how you got it. No, flip it over where the holes are. Yeah, that'll allow more airflow. That's what we're going to do. So we're going to take this guy. I don't know if it'll fit in there or not. Please tell me it'll fit. Now guys, I'll set you down a minute. It's hard to do anything with a phone in your hand. You know, that's part of the daggum problem in this country right now. Everybody's got a stupid phone in their hand. Alright, hang on. Let me see it. Oh, we're stuck. Some people will disagree with me. Hang on, let go. There you go. I guess you can shoot an upward shot of what's going on here, Dylan.
Sorry about that.
Alright.
So, trying to put this fan down here, it's not kind of working out.
Guess what I can do.
So, yeah. It doesn't.
There we go. If it don't work, you break it, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Or we're gonna scrap the thing. Oh, we have it. Oh, and there it is.
Alright, what we want is get this brick over just a little bit more. Alright, that'll work. Get that other one your brother's got. Here, let me see my phone. Yeah. Oh, it's a long way. It's a long way to pull this thing.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, Cody. Almost there. Put it right here. Right there. On line. There you go.
We've been working.
Alright, we're going to take this.
And then we're going to put it like that.
Put this like this. Okay.
And now can I get it back from... Can I get out from under here?
Yeah, you guys go ahead and come on up here in the house. I'm going to kick this sucker on and show everybody how it works. Come on up. No, not through here. Alright. Good deal. Are you both out of there? Don't put your fingers in that fan. It'll cut your stuff off. Okay. Alright. And this is all I do. I mean, this is my battery bank / charging system / experimental everything. Here we go. Turning it on.
Hey, you guys. Oh, it pushes more pressure.
Oh, yeah, there's a lot of air coming out of that.
Yeah. Cow. That's a lot. Hey, Mom wants to level.
Man, that is blowing air. Just show you how much air. Look at Cody's hair. Put your face down there again. See? That's not bad at all. Now these wires hanging down here, I'm going to eventually solder them. I'm going to do a few other things to this just to make it a little bit more convenient. But man, that's what we've been looking for right there, guys. We've been living out here in the woods with no air conditioner, no fans.
For a very long time.
This right here is a godsend. This is a blessing.
Yeah.
Because this next week, it's kind of wet today, and the next 3 days it's supposed to be raining. But and you can see my stupid yard. It's kind of trashed out, but it only looks that way because it's got leaves and weeds and briars and crap growing everywhere. But we'll get all that killed out this winter. Ain't no need in fighting it, because if you fight it this time of year, it'll just come right back to you. And yeah. Anyway, You guys have a good time?
Comments below.
All right.
Subscribe.